Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're going to be doing a flip through and a speed colouring from this cute little book Benny Blue by Karron. Let's have a look. Hi guys, I had some happy emails this week and found this absolutely beautiful book there, and I'm really excited to show it to you. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're looking at the Benny Blue Greyscale colouring book by Karron. These images are so cute. There's a little bit of a story in there for you. There's also a name for every single image, and they are grayscale. So this book is also available as a physical book. I'm obviously looking at the digital book now, but yeah, it's so cute. I couldn't wait to show you guys, so I've just sort of jumped ahead and done a quick colouring for you, so if you want to check that out at the end, it will be after the flip through here as well. Also, if you'd like to see the full video of the speed colouring, you will need to pop over and have a look at it on Patreon. I'll pop the links in the description below. I'll also put in the description below the links for Karron's Etsy store and any other information there that you might like to have a look at. I hope you enjoy this book. It's so cute. This little character is absolutely gorgeous. I think my favourite would be the Batman one for Halloween, but they're all so very cute. I hope you like it too, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook or Vero. Make sure that you click on the little thumbs up button and leave me a comment and tell me which Benny Blue character is your favourite as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!